What's up guys, and welcome to the 41st tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about pointers to arrays of pointers. Without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is type in char star followed by names square brackets equals curly braces, and now put in all the names. So we'll just put in some random names such as next name, another name, okay, close that off. And now to the main function itself, int main char star star nm equals names semicolon. That off, we can have a while loop, a while statement that says while the condition is star nm is not equal to 0 or doesn't equal to 0. In your statement you can say, before we do that, we need to remove this. We need to also remove this one, and then we can say std cout star nm, increment that, put that on a new line, and then that should be closed off. This needs to be reversed around, that's the problem. Okay, so we can save this and we can run this, but before we even run this, we need to put in all the commas that we forgot to put in on the top. So and then we can also put in a 0, so we just put the 0 in, and this will, in fact, this is a null pointer to terminate the array. Okay, we can save this and we can run this, but before we actually run this, just to explain the whole program that we have. So where it says char star names right at the top here, array of char pointers, which is initialized with all the names. Where it says 0, this is a null pointer to terminate the array, and where it says char star star nm equals name, this is a pointer to a pointer, and right at the bottom where it says star nm increment, a pointer to the next pointer in the array. So we can run this and see what we get. Build succeeded, and then we have all the names from Frank, Sam, Jim, Paul, Charles, all the way to Donald. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.